Hello, in this video we'll see the letter K. This is Ko, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, Ko. This is K. Okay, so let me show you the way we write them. I will do 7K. So I'm trying to make 7 copies of K, and out of those 7 we will see of how to write the others. So for example, this is K. If I add this here, it becomes Ko, like this one. If I add this one, it becomes Ki, Ka, Ke. Here it's like this. Okay. And Ko is like that, okay? All right. So what I have done is I added this line to make it Ko, and I did this line to make this Ki, Ka, Ke, K, Ko. Okay? So that is one. So when you are very comfortable writing Ke, Ko, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, Ko, you will be very fast in writing it. Okay? So you're gonna be very fast, like I said. So you will write it very fast. Ke, Ko, see? Ki, Ka, Ke, see? K, Ko. All right, so that's very important. It's a matter of practice. So this is K. So this is K, like I said. This is Ko, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, and Ko. Okay. So this is K, like this one here. This is Ko, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, Ko. So guys, this is for K. I will finish this portion now here, but I will come with other alphabet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.